Today I bring you another tip from home, but this time it's for you to earn extra income. You will sell like water? So let me know the city you're watching this video from. Take 1 bar of glycerin soap. We're going to grate the soap. It can be the cheapest bar of soap, people. If you have allergies to chemical components, wear gloves when doing this procedure. Add the grated soap to a pan. Add 200 grams of sugar. Next, 100 milliliters of water at room temperature. 125 milliliters of detergent. You can also use the cheapest detergent. Mix very well, still off the heat. Then take it to the fire. Keep stirring until all the soap is completely dissolved. When the soap is melted, gradually add 200 milliliters or 70% alcohol. Use a measuring cup to make it easier. Don't forget to share this video with others, because it's a super novelty. Mix very well, after adding the alcohol. Now, I'm going to add it in these containers anyway. For those who don't want to sell, you can put it in any container. But if you're going to sell it, you can put it in those plastic containers. Keep for 12 to 24 hours until it hardens well. And what an incredible soap! It's not just any soap, this one contains special products to clean and remove dirt well. And today's message is in Matthew 6:34, therefore do not worry about tomorrow, for tomorrow will bring its own worries. Sufficient to each day is its own evil. It is natural to feel worried about our future. No one knows what will happen tomorrow, and this insecurity makes our lives difficult. But God knows all things past, present and future. He is in control of all things, so we need not be afraid of what is to come. Each day has its own worries, but God does not abandon those who love Him. After that tender-filled advice, let's get back to our recipe. That's it, folks. See you in the next video. Bye bye.